Dear students, welcome to today's lecture informative program. What this program? So far in your previous years, that is what between 2017 to 2019, you have a definite direction in which way you have to go. So it is 10th standard, 12th standard, then you are preparing for NEET or KCET or JEE. All this, it's a definite direction, and you thinking of doing engineering or medicine, so some professional course you thought of. But so you have now joined to the first BSc program CBZ. You have not opted all these professional course. This is in 2020. So now your journey starts here. So my journey for the first time in an unknown path. So all these years you have some direction. You have textbooks and you have definite training programs and all these things. But now you are in now you have in a path you can see in this cartoon. So it is something unknown path. So it is now you should think like this, something like how exactly it is something, it is a plain milk. You have to add values to this. You add something some nutritive things or some in flavoring things, and how you want to become in your life. Depending on that, you have to plan now your BSc program. In that direction, I want to tell you, the first thing what you have to do is the goal setting. You should be clear about your goals now, what you want to become. So here in this picture, what I have showed here, so this the butterfly, it is in the pupa stage, and it is the definite, you cannot compare a caterpillar with a butterfly. When it undergoes pupation, and you will come out with the miracle, it is something magic, like so. But the development is directional development. It is you can't change it. So same thing, you have to set your goal. So the same, how exactly, what is the how exactly a swimmer, so swimmer can see only the end point. The same way you should set your goal now, and goal setting helps to organize your time and your resources, so that now you have a definite direction where you have to go. So now, so this so what you want to achieve in your life, you have to fix now. So goals are yours, not your parents or others. You should think now. It is you are leading your life, not others. It is not something parent wanted you to become, or else some teachers or your friends or your relatives. Not like so. Goals are yours because you are living your life. That's why. So it is not your parents, and you should have a clear picture what you want to become after 10 years. So where you are in after 10 years, you have now, you should have clear picture about that. Then once you have that, you should motivate yourself. You are living your life, so you should motivate. So go perform, and you should put hard work to achieve or to reach your goal. So sense your amazing capacity of brain. So this is what you should know. So the once you are in a undergraduate program, it is not the marks what you scored important here. You are in all of you are in a same brain setup, and you should sense your amazing capacity of your brain. So what you see here is so many, think about so many school dropout, like Bill Gates and all. I can give a lot of even our own Indian soil scientist, Nobel laureate Venki Ramakrishnan. He could not able to get into the engineering course, so he has taken up BSc program, and now he awarded with Nobel Prize in 2009 for the identified the internal the organization of the ribosomes. This is how you should sense your amazing capacity of your brain. So it is not where you want to go, it is not important, it is knowing how to get there, that is very important. So I take the words of the Albert Einstein: if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. So this is what is the importance of goal setting. So what is the Bachelor Science? The Bachelor Science BSc program students should develop valuable personal skills. Here this is totally different what you have studied in your previous years. So it is here, it is you have to be like it is so many things in your hand now. You should develop your personal skills, and you should plan your master programs, you should plan your career, everything, in these 3 years duration you have to work very hard, and you should plan properly and work towards that. So in front of you there are so many options. You may take up a teaching career, you may become a scientist or research. This is very interesting, amazing field of science. Then you may take up administrative services, IAS, IPS, IFS, forest service, or Karnataka government administrative service. So many options are there, lot of power in your hand, and you can service motto with that make amazing things. Then you can take up a company jobs, you can see. So you may be a good management and managerial skills and all this, so you can you no need to work under somebody, you can start your own thing, and you can make up. So many of my students, they have running good industries, education institutions and all these things. So this is what you can see. Life is 10% what happens to you, and 90% how you react to it. So this is where it is proper planning is very important. So all these, it's just a cartoon what you want to show. So it is in your degree program you have to they develop a lot of personal skills, and you have to plan for your future, and you have to work towards it, and lot of skill development, coaching and all these you should plan now itself, and it is going to work better for your future career. So in this program, it is not today itself I am going to talk about all these. So I take up one by one. Today I am going to talk about summer fellowships. So this is what you can see in this informative program. I am going to talk about IIT JAM and integrated PhD programs, online courses and other things in rest of the my in programs. But today I am going to just concentrate on summer fellowships. And all these these skills are very important for you people to sketch your future or career properly. So what exactly summer research programs? So lot of skills you develop, even it helps in goal setting. You develop a lot of research interest, or else you can see you may get a planning for your startup. So it's a lot, it's a package, summer research programs. So this summer research programs you will take up during between the 2 academic year. For example, in the gap of first year BSc with the second year, or second year to final year, in that gap, or first year MSc to second year MSc, in that gap, summer 2 months duration, it's a 6 to 8 weeks program. So you are going to work in some under renowned scientists, or else in a institute where you can get motivated, and you will have lot of experience. And for this you no need to spend from your pocket. It is a sponsored program by the government. You can take up, and you can make your CV better by the time you finish your degree program. So these are the institutes, they are offering summer research programs. Indian Academy of Science, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Studies, both these they offer summer fellowship programs for BSc and MSc. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, they are exclusively for MSc programs, and summer fellowship they offer for MSc programs. Similarly, National Center of Biological Science, then Jawaharlal Nehru University, then Center of Cell and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad. So all these are the institutes, and there are many more institutions I have not mentioned here. I will come when I go now. So JNCSR, there are more than 120 fellowships for life science students, biology students. So it is just I have mentioned the last year, the dates, but they don't change too much. So the similar, in the dates this year also. So the last date for downloading application 6/12/19. This year same in the December 2020. You can plan for that. Completed applications, selected candidates, a list will be announced in the middle of the February. Then students studying first year, second year, final year BSc programs and first year, second year MSc programs, they give 10,000 rupees per month stipend, then travel allowances and their accommodation, all these are free. So all these you just look log into their website and you will know what all the opportunities they offer. Similar type of programs they also have project oriented biology education. You can do you can go 3 years during summer and you can have a diploma, you can do a diploma program or certificate program there in JNCSR. So we are lucky in Karnataka because so world class institute like JNCSR and Indian Institute of Science, then NCBS, all these are located in Bangalore. So we have an opportunity to go there. So next, Indian Academy of Science summer fellowships. So this is one of the prestigious, all these summer fellowships are prestigious if you get, it is very important. You should apply in right time and you should not disappointed. First year you apply, second year apply, final year you apply, first MSc you apply, second one or the other time you will definitely get. Once you get, it's a very prestigious program. You are motivated like anything. Then you need to think, look back. So this is what the experience what I learnt from my students, those who are visited or they had this program. So this summer fellowship program, so there are more than 300 fellowships for life science students, and all this same thing you can see. So they announce in the journal Resonance and Current Science or else in their website. You visit their website. So this is this year, every year they also send their flyer to me. So I'll announce in your WhatsApp group or else in the department notice board. So this is what the flyer of this year. So it is they give a stipend 12,500 rupees to and fro charges, and they also accommodation free and all this. You can see it is a 3 institutes of national important, Indian Academy of Science, National Science Academy, all these together going to run this program. So these science academies, they are all. So this is what this year also, every year they are doing this. So then after that you can see ISER institutes, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. So this is the brainchild of the Bharat Ratna CNR Rao. We are proud of CNR Rao, scientist from our state. So awarded with Bharat Ratna, that, along with Sachin Tendulkar. So he planned. So this Indian Institute of Science type of institutes all over India. So it is located in Pune, ISER, Pune, Kolkata, Mohali, Bhopal, Tirunelveli, Tirupati, Rampuram and Nagaland. So all these institutes are world class institute where you also think about doing your MS programs, PhD programs, and also summer research programs. ICER Pune, so it is a project duration 4 to 8 weeks. So it is you log into ICER Pune website and see the what they offer. So every year they also have summer research programs for BSc students. Then likewise you can see ICER Tirunanthapuram. You can log into their website and you just find out what are the their programs. Then best opportunities in biotech biology. So winter summer fellowship by Genomics and Integrative Biology by Delhi. Then Biotechnology Training Center Bangalore. Then biotech internship in Kolkata, ICER Kolkata. Then National Cell Science Center Pune. Then summer training. All these I have given the website, and you log into their website and check their programs, what type of summer fellowship programs they have, and you should do this every year till you complete your MSc program, and it is it's a golden opportunity for you. So likewise you can see Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, then Institute of Science Bangalore. So in even Institute of Science Bangalore and some Institute of India, the renowned scientists, they also through mail, if you contact, they offer internship programs, but you have to pay from your pocket, not to visit there, it is for the accommodation purpose. So this is what you can see. My students earlier they visited the lab of Professor M.R.N. Murthy in that way, and they are all now scientists. I am very happy for all those. Same thing you can see JNU, CSR, National Institute of Virology, all these are offering summer programs. So the same thing you can see the different, you can just I skip this slide. Then you can also think about now itself internship abroad also. So this abroad, you can see the so many institutes you can see. So my students earlier applied for Corona programs. So all these we support from our college. We are our institution is supporting you people to take up such programs. We are providing attendance for you, and we support you. Faculty will support you, principal will support you to take up such programs. You no need to worry about your attendance or your the lessons. We are here to help you here. So these are the internship abroad you can think about. Then these are all the paid internship biotechnology you can think about in India. So then so these are some bioinformatic summer training programs. So all these national institutes, they are offering. So these some summer fellowships from our college. So this is every year I do this program, informative program. Some students are motivated and they apply and they got, and they are all now scientists now. So this the Indian education system must explore ways by which it can upgrade its current textbook heavy learning system. Introducing UG research in institutes will not only enhance the quality of students and faculty in the system, but also help India to generate relevant scholarly research that will contribute to the country and beyond. This is what Antara Sen Gupta's opinion in recent her publications. So you add values to this bachelor's degree, so that it is very worthwhile to have a BSc programs. So this is what I wanted to tell you about summer research programs, and you should plan your summer research programs in all these institute, and wish you all the best to get this program. So students, quality is never an accident, it is an always result of intelligent effort. There must be the will to produce superior things. This is what the Indian English poet John Ruskin's saying in I end this with his sayings. Thank you.